Galing ito sa ika-12 araw ng impeachment trial noong Agosto 4, 2026. Ibuod ng nangyari. Sino ang nagsabi at Senator Lorna Kapunan na pribadong tagausig ng prosecution panel? Ano ang sinabi? Tinawag niyang scam o panlilin lang sa taong bayan ang sistema ng paggamit at liquidation ng P12.5 milyong confidential funds. 500 million mula sa OVP at P112.5 million mula sa DepEd ni VP Sara Duterte. Batayan, batay sa patutuo ni dating COA, Auditor Roderick Wamil. Marami. Umanong gastusin. Ang walang sapat na suportang dokumento, rayon sa alituntunin, ang hindi maayos na liquidation ay simula ng patunay na maaaring pampersonal na gamit ang pondo. Mahalagang karugtong. Agad tumutol ang depensa. Hiniling ni Atiwar Michael, puwana alisin sa talaan ang salitang scam dahil labag ito sa pamamaraan at pinagbigyan ng hukuman. Kaya tinanggal na sa opisyal na record ang salitang iyon. Paninindigan ng depensa. Hindi pa tapos ang pagdinig. Walang pinal na desisyon ng COA na napatunayang ninakaw o ginamit pansarili, tanging hinala o paunang hinuha lamang. Sa madaling salita, sinabi ng prosecution, scam ang liquidation ng pondo, tinanggihan ng hukuman. Inalis ang salitang scam sa opisyal na talaan matapos tumutol ang depensa. Patuloy, ang pagdinig upang mapatunayan kung totoo ang mga alegasyon ng maling paggamit.
Sinabi mo, before I go to the next question, sinabi mo na nandun din si Attorney Zulaika Lopez.
Sa pagkakaalala ko po, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know? Did you know then who she was?
Nagpakilala po siya sa amin as the Chief of Staff of the OBP po.
Chief of Staff of?
The Office of the Vice President.
Ano naman ang connection niya, if at all, sa DepEd?
Hindi niya po, wala po siyang sinabing na connection niya with the DepEd po.
Okay. Ngayon naman, Mr. Witness, tell us what transpired, if you recall, of that meeting sometime in September.
They asked po about the liquidation process po nung cash advances as well as kung ano po yung mga supporting documents required.
And anong sagot?
Tinanong
Tinanong nila kung anong mga requirements.
They were referred po
Hindi nila alam ang mga requirements para sa...
They clarified po kasi may mga agencies din po na nagka-clarify sa amin about requirements ng joint circular since it is very technical po.
At ano naman ang sagot ninyo?
They were referred po by Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras to the joint circular for the specific requirements.
And nung sinabi ng COA ICFAO, sinabi ni Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras ang requirements. Ano ang reaction nila? Ni Attorney Zulaika at ni Attorney Poa. Kung maalala mo.
Nag-confirm naman. Can you, reaction po ni Attorney Zulaika?
Sinabi mo
Yes, they agree naman po that they
during
will...
the meeting, Mr. Witness, tinanong nila ano ang mga requirements para mag-submit ng documents para liquidation ng confidential funds, tama?
Yes, ma'am.
At sinabi naman, ang sagot
They were referred to the joint circular po.
joint circular.
And sinabi din po ni Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras na in case merong makitang findings during the audit ay mag-i-issue po ng AOM.
Okay. Nung sinabi ng Assistant Commissioner, basahin nyo na lang yung joint circular. Ano naman ang response nila?
Well, they asked po if instead of an audit observation memorandum in case may audit findings, ay audit query na lang po yung i-issue sa kanila.
Audit query na lang ang dapat i-issue, yun ba ang sinabi nila? Ano naman itong audit query na sinabi nila, ito na lang please ang i-issue ninyo, wag na lang AOM. What is an audit query, Mr. Witness?
Hindi po ako familiar sa audit query since hindi naman po siya kasama dun sa issuances under the Joint Circular 2015-01.
Sa joint circular, walang audit query?
Wala po.
Ngayon, Anong nangyari nung sinabi nilang audit query na lang please ang i-issue ninyo?
Hindi
Bakit?
po. Ano?
Anong nangyari?
Hindi po pumayag si ICFO since hindi naman po sa sanction nung aming Joint Circular 2015-01. So nag-issue pa rin po kami ng AOM nung may na-note po kaming findings during the audit.
Okay. So nag-issue pa rin despite this meeting ng isang AOM. Pagkatapos nun, anong nangyari if you still recall?
After po ma-approve yung AOM, nag-attempt po kaming iserve yung AOM to the office address po nung OBP pero hindi po siya tinanggap dahil wala raw po mag-receive na authorized person.
Okay. And itong first attempt nyo, pagkatapos nun, anong nangyari?
On the afternoon of the same date po na nag-attempt kami to serve, nagbigay po sila ng revised accomplishment report sa ICFAO.
Okay. Ngayon, Mr. Witness, sinabi mo kahapon at ngayon na ang basis ng inyong post-audit or compliance audit ay ang joint circular.
Yes, ma'am.
2015 ng 5 government agencies. Kasama dyan ang COA, tama?
Yes, ma'am.
If I show you at babasahin ko, flash on the screen. Section 1, Section 1 of the joint circular. Can we please flash it on the screen? Ini-explain dito, and please refer, do you have a copy with you?
Yes po. I have a copy po with me.
I refer you now to the last sentence, which says, the COA, pakibasa, COA, babasahin ko na lang. O ikaw, basahin mo na lang, please. COA shall, okay na lang. COA shall promulgate accounting and auditing rules and regulations, including those for the prevention of irregular, unnecessary, excessive, extravagant, or unconscionable expenditures or uses of government funds and property. You confirm, Mr. Witness?
Based on this joint circular po, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, if I ask you, sa mga sinubmit na documents ng Vice President, and I will, for purposes of summarizing, purchase of information, 14 million. Reward payment, 10,050,000. Rental of safe house. 11 days nag-rent ang Office of the Vice President ng safe houses from December 21 to 31. 16 million in 11 days. Divided by the number of days, 2 million a day ang binayad ng Office of the Vice President para lang sa rental ng safe house. Tama?
May I refer po to the document po.
Refer to the document. It's in front of you. Okay. Meron pa rin mga ibang expenses. Meron nakalagay sa summary, payment of reward, various, 34,857,000. Meron din, purchase supplies, 11,813,000. Payment of rewards, Mr. Witness, 24 million. No, 10 million. Payment of rewards. Rewards in medicine, in kind. 24,930,000, Mr. Witness. payment of rental of transfer vehicles related allegedly to confidential activities, 10 million pesos. Tables and chairs, 500,000 pesos. Desktop computers and printers, 3 million pesos. You confirm that, Mr. Witness?
Pwede pong paulit ng enumeration kasi I don't
Ito
have
ay
reference
nasa
kanina.
notice of
Suspension.
suspension and your tabulation.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you confirm, Mr. Ramil?
Yes, Your Honor po.
Okay. Based on Section 1 of the Joint Circular. I-translate ko na lang. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Irregular. I'm sorry. This is my last question. Medyo limited ang aking Tagalog no, or Pilipino. Ang pagkaintindi ko sa irregular kaduda-duda. Tama? Kaduda-duda, irregular. Ang Counsel for Respondent, if you can help me, it's in this translation, I'd happily welcome your translation. Unnecessary sa Pilipino. Unnecessary, hindi kailangan.
Irregular is hindi palagi, hindi kinagawian.
Yeah.
Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Irregular. Kasi ang
Counsel
alam
for
ko...
respondent, you agree? Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Okay. Kasi ang nalaman lang natin the other day is unusual.
Unusual.
Ngayon naman, irregular. Hindi
pangkaraniwan.
hindi pangkaraniwan. Unnecessary.
Your,
Hindi kailangan.
Your Honor, I with all due respect again, if you may just ask the question na lang po.
Sandali. Preliminary, Your Honor. Preliminary.
Because this is already,
Your Honor,
I think we
please.
all know what's happening here.
In any event, Your Honor, give me some leeway here. This is the last question before we break up for lunch. And considering
We ask for the ruling of the
the
court, Your Honor.
victory of Ayala, Your Honor,
Let
we're all in a
counsel-
happy mood.
Let counsel wind up with this, with
This is
her
the
direct
last question, Your
counsel
Honor.
correspondent. Let's give her some
Okay,
leeway.
I will-
We submit.
Unnecessary.
Let's help in translating more accurately.
Yes. Unnecessary, hindi kailangan. Excessive, labis. Extravagant.
Maluho.
Oho.
Ang nakalagay dito, bongga kaday. Extravagant. Bongga, extravagant. At lastly, unconscionable. Sabi na Attorney Virgil, kasuklam. Unconscionable. Okay, Mr. Witness, sa binasa natin, Section 1, saan, if at all, itong mga binasa ko, saan babagsak itong...
Question, objection, Your Honor. Question calls for a conclusion.
Okay.
In relation to his observation only, not as to the conclusion of law, given that the is not a final disposition
We submit.
of the
In-
matter
in-
at hand.
In relation to your observation and based on the audited documents, will it fall, if any, under any of this enumeration?
Yes, ma'am. Under po the irregular expenditures.
Irregular.
Dahil irregular po siya dahil hindi po siya compliant or hindi po siya hindi po siya compliant with the provisions of the Joint Circular 2015-01, which is an issuance po of the COA, the DBM, the DILG, the GOCC, GCG, and the Department of National Defense rather.
Okay, and my last question to you, Mr. Witness. Let us go now to paragraph 8.3 of the Joint Circular. And this is being flashed on the screen. for the record and for better appreciation of this honorable court. Please read paragraph 8.3.
Under item 8.3, failure of the accountable officer to liquidate any public funds for which he is accountable upon demand by any duly authorized officer shall be prima facie evidence that he has put such missing funds or property to personal use and benefit.
Okay. So nakalagay dito sa 8.3, you are a lawyer as well, Mr. Witness, apart from an auditor. Ano ang ibig sabihin dito ng prima facie evidence?
Ang ibig sabihin po ng prima facie evidence under 8.3 ay nagkaroon po ng presumption na ginamit yung funds for the personal use and benefit of the accountable officers.
So kung ang accountable officer at masasabi mo ba na ang Vice President at ang and concurrently Secretary of Education, masasabi mo ba na accountable officer ito?
Based on the joint circular po, yes po, kasi under the joint circular, it shall be the responsibilities of the head of agency to oversee the agency-wide use of the confidential fund and to ensure compliance with the requirements of the joint circular. And also, inattest po ni Vice President in her capacity as the Vice President of the Philippines and the Secretary of the DepEd, yung certification ng accountable officers na ginamit yung pondo for their confidential expenses.
Okay. Ngayon, ang confidential fund, sa binasa mo, ang confidential fund ba ay public fund?
Yes, ma'am.
Yung post-audit mo naman, na sinabi mo ay irregular, may discrepancies. Ito ba ay, ang in-audit mo ay liquidation documents ng Vice President?
For the fourth quarter of 2022 until third quarter of 2023 po. Yes, ma'am.
At sinabi mo, based on 8.3, na merong funds na hindi ma-account o walang dokumento na sinamit ang Vice President. Tama? At ang DepEd. Tama?
Pwedeng paulit po ng question.
At sinabi mo yesterday at ngayong araw na merong mga pondo na hindi naman confidential funds, ginamit sa confidential funds. Or sinabing ginamit sa confidential funds pero wala naman dokumento. Tama?
Objection, Your Honor. Misleading as to dun sa sinabi na wala.
Sustained,
namang-
counsel. Kindly reform.
Okay. So you said here that if an accountable officer, pag hindi na-explain ng isang accountable officer ang paggamit ng public funds, kagaya ng confidential funds, meron tinatawag na prima facie evidence. Anong tawag doon? Presumption?
Presumption po.
Presumption ng ano?
Under 8.3 po, presumption na yung fund po ay na-convert into personal use or benefit.
Presumption na na-convert for personal use or benefit? Applicable dito sa sinabi mo.
Conclusion of law, Your Honor. Calls for conclusion.
Your Honor, that is...
Your Honor, all these matters are pending still.
Sustained.
Your Honor, please, ang tawag ko lang doon, hindi prima facie evidence. Kung akong tatanungin, scam ito.
Move to strike,
No
Your
further
Honor. Move
questions.
to strike. That is out of order, Your Honor.
No further questions, Your Honor.
So stricken.
Move to strike.
So stricken from the record. No further questions. Direct examination is completed. Counsel for Respondent Attorney Poa, we shall have your cross after we resume. For a brief lunch break. We shall resume at 1:15 for our lunch break.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Trial is in recess.